Out here on beautiful Delcoa property, this is all about relationships and being proactive in your marketing and not reactive. This house was pre-sold literally before I closed on it. I already had people, due to strategic relationships, desiring this property or this type of property, had the ability to communicate with them, but they literally came out here the same day I closed. We walked it, did a custom remodel, and they closed 45 days later after my acquisition. Crazy process. It's all about good communication. It's all about strategic relationships and, of course, trust. Let me take you inside, show you the new owners of the property, Matt and Devin. Amazing people. They're now friends of mine, and show you what they did with the place, what we did with the place, and see what's going on, see if they're home. Hello? Oh, you know what? I need to grab my lockbox. Hey.
Hello.
I left my lockbox.
I know.
We're gonna have to take that off. We got Matt and Devin here, the new owners of this property. Look at the wall. Got yourself all dialed up for the video. Give us a tour of your new home. This is unbelievable. This is the custom blue. You could tell her from California with the floor selection, clearly. But boy, is this looking good. Amazing.
Yeah.
Are you guys happy with your new home?
Yes, great.
That's the newest edition of the paint job.
I love that. I love that. Who did the painting? Both of you?
Teamwork.
That's amazing. Look at the fireplace. That's hilarious. Look at the bar. Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, that's.
We're ready for a little. It's Friday. It's Friday. God, the place looks so light and bright. I know when you acquired the property, your biggest thing was seeing through the space, seeing the pool, obviously open this up to this back room. I think we achieved that, and even more by eliminating this wall coming into the kitchen, and then with the collaboration. Yeah, this is crazy.
That wall was here. Remember we said right when we walked in, we want to be able to look right from the door.
Yep, to the pool. It's already spraying. I love it. And then this is the co-collaboration that we created, a new design for people that want to have a kitchen and eat-in dining table in one. It's all through a little steel and sex appeal that we achieved this design, and it's amazing. We actually had the opportunity to eat LGO, which they're now fans of. Place looks great. I know your plans with the kitchen cabinets. Are you gonna stain them?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Okay.
When is the bigger question.
Okay. And what you're gonna go charcoal, or what's the deal?
It's called Shadow Mountain. It's
Okay.
The gray color we're looking for, so it's kind of a charcoal looking.
Yeah. That's gonna look great. Give us a tour. This is your house. Yeah, we're just living in your world. God, I love the blue walls. Those look good. Look at what happens with the little paint color. It's super cool and also defines the space.
It used to be the wall that went out to here.
Yeah.
And then be able to open this up.
Have you used the pool yet?
Yeah, it is
Okay, good.
cold.
I'm sure it is. That's what we call cold plunge, what's known as Winhoff training, right?
Yes.
Winhoff.
Remember when we had the wood on top of there that hadn't been moved for 20 years?
Look at we chose on a live the tile color. It was a collaboration with 1,000 viewers, and they selected that. It looks fantastic, by the way. Let's go outside. Look at this yard and the transformation. It's beautiful. Yeah. When's the hot tub coming?
Any day now.
Oh my God, that is so cool. All right, you guys got to connect the gas to your fireplace. I love the outdoor front. It looks good. God, look at this. You may have to level the concrete over there if you're gonna keep the couch over there. Looks a little. So what we did the heavy lifting, right, when they took over and acquired the property, but they're also doing a lot of little details, obviously, to really make it theirs and finalize the purchase. So we didn't touch anything back here with the stucco and the wood. They're gonna literally extract the door from here, move it into the master, so you can have access to the pool and the fire pit directly from your master, which is right there where the window is. And then here, they'll probably have some sort of double sliders that fully open up the backyard, which is genius. It's gonna be incredible. This backyard, when we came out here, was disaster. It was horrific. This thing, yeah, there was a wall here. Yeah, crazy pine tree.
Overhang that was filled with needles right here, and now it's like.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It really feels like Arizona. Look how big this yard is. I mean, this is a great lot. You didn't even realize how great the lot was until it opens itself up. It's massive.
So obviously we took some cabinets out when we were remodeling the kitchen, and instead of basically tossing them or selling them, we decided to move them into our laundry room. So what's kind of cool about this is we're still figuring out this space, but it's enabled us to kind of hang these cabinets here.
Ooh, looks good.
So that we can put some storage up here, and then we have a whole pantry over here with the other ones. This was also a gift of the house, so it was left here, so we have some extra room for a pantry, and
Love
we
that.
actually made this into a little bit of a workspace, so if you want to come on in and check it out, I mean, there's more we're going to do in here, but
Watch your head.
kind of a great temporary space.
This is awesome. I love that.
Yeah.
what we use that R&R, not rest and relaxation, recycle and repurpose. Remember, there was no access here before. You had to walk all the way around, so we opened this up with the lentil. Looks good, and that's where the barn door is gonna be.
Day one.
Yeah, day one. We were just rolling through this thing. That AC is bumping, it feels good. Oh, you finally got a bed. You were sleeping on the floor last time I saw you. Yeah, here we go, here we go. This is awesome.
The doors.
Yeah.
That's gonna be this week.
I like the minimalist mentality in here. Did your fans not come in yet? Or they did, you're just waiting to get installed?
Coming in Monday.
A lot, see, we're 72 hours early to this party. Ooh, nice. The mirror and the light fixture in here. That is a bright ass light fixture. Hey, dang, you ugly with that light. That thing is a little too bright. But I like more a dark light is more my mentality. Makes me feel better about
The truth
myself.
hurts sometimes.
It does hurt. It hurts. This is cool. This is a nice mattress. Oh, you even matched this. This is the same bed frame, the metal. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, look at this.
You can, do your makeup before you sleep.
That is key. And makeup is key. There's a warmth about the place, but really it's about the people that bought it. The warmest, most hospitable, great people that I call friends. Been an amazing experience working with them. You never know what you're gonna get into, especially money's on the table and finances. People can act a certain way, but at the end of the day, it's been amazing. I'm blessed and privileged to, welcome you to your new home. And how is it working with the team, the Zack Ventures team, and everyone else?
Phenomenal. I mean,
Wow.
I think one of the best things has been just the relationships we've made with some of your team members.
Yep.
That they're like our friends and like our team members. now,
That's
too,
awesome.
almost.
That's
so
good.
I feel like we have a great support system.
Yeah.
And, we can reach out to them.
Can't wait to have some more alcoholic drinks, hopefully in the future. Some LGO pizzas, hot tubbing, and enjoying this beautiful AZ weather. And again, welcome to AZ. It's been a pleasure working with you guys. You're great.